Hey guys! This is Tony, and today I'm excited to share with you my incredible journey with the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. Seriously, this program has changed my life in ways I never could have imagined. So, let me tell you a bit of my story. I've always struggled with my weight, and over the past few years, it felt like I was stuck in an endless cycle of yo-yo diets. Nothing seemed to really work, and I was tired of feeling discouraged about my appearance and health. That's when I discovered the Smoothie Diet, and man, it was like a light bulb going off at the end of the tunnel. This isn't just another diet plan, it's a revolution in how I view food and my body. And the best part? It works! Let me tell you about some of the amazing benefits I experienced with the Smoothie Diet. First off, rapid and consistent weight loss. In just 2 weeks, I lost 10 pounds, and that's without starving myself or depriving myself of foods I love. Plus, my energy skyrocketed. I used to drag myself out of bed in the morning, struggling to get going, but now I'm jumping out of bed full of energy and ready to tackle the day. And it's all thanks to the delicious and nutritious smoothies that are part of the program. And let's not forget about the health benefits. My skin is clearer and more radiant than ever, and my digestion has significantly improved. Plus, my confidence has soared. When I look in the mirror, I see a new me, more confident, healthier, and happier. So, if you're tired of struggling with your health and appearance, and you're ready for a real change, I challenge you to try the Smoothie Diet. Click the link in the description to get started today. And remember, your satisfaction is guaranteed, so you have nothing to lose except those extra pounds. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you've been inspired by my story and are ready to start your own transformation journey. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then.